Alright, I'm on my way out with my buddy to go look at a GTO. I hadn't really been posting anything really because I've been moving.
Let the attack begin.
Which moving sucks. Got stuff everywhere. Still, as you can see, got this box supposed to help me with some problems that well, not problems, help me with some aesthetics of my whatever it's called, my holder for my airlift system. So the car shuffle still begins. So I gotta move this car. So put the trash can right by the car. Right by the car. Can't do that. Fold mirrors in. Off. Come back around. Move the trash can over. Get in this car. Damn, so stiff. So this is a problem that I have. I just have this just sitting right here. This box is supposed to help me solve that. So this will help me solve it here in a minute. Let me go ahead and get all. Oh man, I got stuff in here I gotta take out. Not sure if you can hear that exhaust.
Black my skin and scoop the shorty in it from a J. Swish, she got vision just like any women giving me the kitten. Way before the riches, nothing more to mention. I could light a block up high, the aura glisten. Foreign on my body, that's a Gora linen. I came through dripping Aquafina, I'm sipping 15, kept a weapon on me. Flow make digits, I'm on my business, stack chicken like what it's gon' be. Crew in the cut, hey, you want us, red run when I tell a bit peace. Love is love. Love is love. Adios. Love is love. Love is love. Adios. Love is love.
So this is the car. This is the car we're looking at. A little Pontiac GTO 6.0. Doing a little C. Try and get a clip of it. See how this thing sounds with some magna flows on there. A little rough in areas. Like the front, but I think they want too much for it. They want 11. Alright, so this is the box from Proclips that we've been waiting to open up. Let's see what's in here. Sweet, got some stickers, t-shirt, and a couple of mounts. Proclip small, Proclip angled mount. Made in Sweden. 15 Challenger angle mount, and then this is what goes on it. So with this, I'm gonna put this what's the directions say? It goes right here. Or shop, no. Yep. The trash can. Some tools required. Yep, some screws. So I'm gonna go in the house, get me a screwdriver. I have a screwdriver, and then I'm gonna put this back on. Alright, so now I put this piece on there. Go and snap this in place. Sweet. Oh man, I should have ran this over first. Let's see if it'll fit. Yes! I'm gonna run this on the other side. There it is. So I'm gonna tuck that onto here. And now I could see my display a lot better. So we go run. So now when I'm driving, I could have it up instead of having it down here where I used to have it in the cup holder, and I could see everything that I need to see. So air out. Perfect. And that's from Proclip USA, and that's the small universal holder T1. Works perfect for the airlift controller. And the thing is, if I could turn it this way, because I could also adjust, I could change the orientation of this airlift piece right here. Driving in here, because a lot of times I need to be monitoring my pressure sometimes, especially if you have a faulty bag or something like that. So I need to be monitoring my pressures at all times, especially if I was aired out for a while. Sometimes it binds up where it don't air up all the way, but I have to bring it up, and this way, while I'm driving, it's not in the cup holder, I could see it and adjust it on the fly. So thank you, Proclip. Make an awesome product. So all I need now is to get another one for my phone. So that's Proclip USA. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks to Proclip, and enjoy the day. Peace.
Rose, I walked in the corner with the body screaming dollar. Never sold it back, but looking like Pablo in the fall. This gon' make him feel away like Tony.